Hi guys, today is Tuesday, April 7th, and I thought today I would try to make matzah with you. So, first thing we have to do, wash our hands, get our list of ingredients, and since I'm going to make a small batch, I used only half of the ingredients. So, I think we'll start. We have a rolling pin. We have a cup container with a half a cup of flour. I have salt. I have water. How much water? Let's see. Da, 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 da. One. See how much is there. This is a quarter of a cup. So we're going to start with a quarter of a cup. Hopefully that's not too much. Okay. So we have a teaspoon for salt. We have a rolling pin. I have a piece of parchment paper here with flour on it, so we have a place to put the... What's missing? A mixing spoon. Let me get a mixing spoon. Ta-da! Just happen to have one right nearby. Let's start it out. First thing we do is we take our flour, see it? And we put it in the bowl. This is the mixing bowl. Isn't it cute? Then we take the water and we'll put, how much should we put in there? All of it? Let's put most of it in. And if we need more, we will add more. Oh no. And while I'm doing that, I need to get some salt out. You put just enough salt. There it is. 1 teaspoon. And I mix it in there. And now I mix this up. I think we're going to need a little, I don't know. If you look in there, you can see that it's mixing up pretty good. And then we have to get, is that kind of gooey? What do you think is going to happen? I think it's going to need some flour. So we get a little extra flour. We're going to put it there and on it. And on, I'm going to scrape it up. You ready? Do you think I have to flour up my hands too? Yummy. All right. Well, I'm going to do it with my other hand because you don't want to put the flour in there. So we mush it around a little. And then we bring it out and we knead it a little. Remember, this is unleavened, so there's no baking soda, there's no yeast, there's no baking powder in it. So it's going to be flat like a pancake, only even flatter. So I'm going to drop it here onto my parchment paper that has flour on it. And we're going to take the little bit of flour that's left here, because we don't like to waste things, especially at this time. And I'm going to get some flour on my rolling pin. And I'm going to flatten this out. Okay? I'll flatten it out. And if you can see this, we're going to flatten it out some more. Uh-oh. See? Now I need some more flour. There's some. Because we don't want it to stick to the rolling pin. And we're going to flatten it out some more. Let's go. This is going to be, this looks like the one from the Little Red Hen, because it's a little round one. We'll see if we can make it a little flatter, because the flatter the better. It'll be crisper when it comes out. There. Oh no! Isn't that silly? All right. See? There it is. So now I have another piece of parchment paper. This is parchment paper. You can put that in the oven. Okay. And we'll take a little bit of flour. Woo! That almost hurt. Let's try this one. A little bit of flour. We're going to put it right over here. How's that? And we'll take this one. And we'll walk over. try to. And we're going to peel it off. It's okay if we make a mess. That's part of doing this. Ta-da, dee-dee, da-doo, dee-doo. What? There we go. It's coming off. You think it's going to come off easy or hard? A little hard. But we got it. There it is. We're going to drop it on there. Going to pat it down. Going to flip it over. Ooh, see the little rips? That happens sometimes. And we're going to flatten it down. And then we have to take our fork, bring this over, and take our fork, see? And then we're going to poke holes. You gotta let the air in it. And it makes a nice pattern, just like the matzah you eat at home during Passover. Is this okay? What do you think? Remember, when Moses was leading the slaves out of Egypt, they took the dough and they threw it on their backs. And they took off just going, so it didn't have a chance to rise. And it just made it flat. It stayed flat and it came out like a wafer. So this is what we're going to do. I have inside my oven, I have a pan which is preheated. It's really hot. Really hot. That's why I'm wearing a glove. And you slide it on. See? It's parchment paper. It will be fine. So, now that we did that, I'm going to put it in the oven for, do you remember how many minutes? How many minutes? 18. No more, no less than 18 minutes. And I'm rubbing everything off. After 18 minutes, this is what you'll have. This is one I did earlier. See it? And you break it up. Crunchy. Tastes like matzah. You can try it at home if you have time, if you're not cleaning the house. And if you do, you can show me a picture of it. Or, if you want, you can draw a silly picture of Mr. Bob making matzah. Okay? You guys have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow on Zoom. Okay? And have fun. Enjoy the nice day.